Imagine this. You are writing an essay. It's pretty important to you as it determines half of your science grade. You are doing just fine, making some final touches, but no matter what you are doing, something is missing. Fonts, yes, those will make it much more appealing. Unfortunately for you, Microsoft Word's font library sucks. You want to use your favorite font, which is not Comic Sans by the way, but you don't know how to get it into MS Word. That's no shame. Even my informatics teacher can't do that. He asked us, his students, to help him by providing the picture-perfect tutorial on how to do just that. Considering you have successfully obtained the name of the font you like by either asking for it in your favorite subreddit or scrolling through thousands of pages on fonts.com and reading stories about quick brown fox that jumps over the lazy dog, they are quite interesting. Sadly, you'll never find out what happens to the dog after that. Does he get angry? Or he just doesn't care at all? Guess we'll never find out. Back to the topic. Once you have found your font, we can begin. I'll go with this. Attack of the Cucumbers. I don't really like the font, but the name is just awesome. Layout of each font page is different, but buttons are mostly the same. Just click download and it will download itself. In case you have nowhere to spend 87 euros, you can buy these very, very classy fonts. Or just simply send that money to me. It will have much better use. Now that the downloading is finished, we can proceed by opening the zip file. Now you just need to double click on the file with .ttf suffix. This isn't a story about brown fox. Well, what is this? Czech version of Windows 7 is pure pain. Just hit install and it will eventually install itself, not bothering to inform you whether the installation was successful or not. Microsoft, please fix. Going back to Word. Oops, sorry about that. You will notice that your font magically pops up in the font drop-down. All you have to do now is install various fonts, put a bit of effort into it, and now it looks much better. At the end of the video, I would like to answer several questions. Why did I make this video in English with this weird British accent? And why did I make this video in the first place? Well, that's actually a pretty funny story.